Tips, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to make free intros on your laptop. It might work on your phone. I'll try a demonstration of that, and that's basically it. So the first thing you want to do is go to your browser. So I'm using Edge. I just reset my computer. So you want to go to your browser and go there. And you're going to type in PANZOID. Enter. My computer's going really slow right now. Okay. So you're going to go here. Now you're going to go to Clipmaker, but they also have, if you need a video editor, they have a video editor where you could edit videos. Here they have a thing where you can make like the background for your channel, like the banners and stuff. Here is where you're going to make your intro. So you're going to click on that. You're going to go to, if you see one here that you like, you can go on there. Yeah, more creations. And then here you can just search what you want. Up there you just, my phone will focus on it, you just click the little thing and then type in what you want. You click on a random one and then just customize it to how you want. Yeah, but that's basically how you make a free intro / outro for your YouTube videos, for your YouTube channel, or for basically any videos. Because you make the intro, it's completely free to download, there's no copyright or anything. It's just a whole community of templates. That's basically it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and peace out.